Hi, I'm Jude from headfi.org, headfi TV, CES 2012, and I am at the Skullcandy exhibit with Tetsuro Oishi. He is someone that Skullcandy brought in to help change everything about what the company is doing. He is an extremely reputable, well-known acoustic engineer, and he's bringing his experience to bear on Skullcandy and the products now and going forward. So why don't you tell us a little something about yourself, Tetsuro?
Well, thank you. So my passion is headphones, and my job here is improve the audio quality of all our products.
Excellent. So I came and visited you in Utah not that long ago, and one of the things I was surprised to see was the fact that you had a lab, that there were design, test, engineering facilities. I didn't really expect to see that.
What did you expect to see?
To speak to the question, I don't know if you caught it because I had the mic in the wrong place, but he asked me what did I expect to see. You know, what I expected to see was kind of shaped by the fact that, you know, Skullcandy had been really since its inception known for its headphones, which are like were OEM. Now it seems you're moving toward a phase of Skullcandy's progression in which you guys are designing and engineering your own products now. So in effect, OEM to ODM. Am I perceiving that correctly?
Yes. So after IPO, the company's main direction is basically we are going to re-establish our reputation as not only lifestyle but premium audio brand. So company is investing a lot of money into our product development engineering team.
Yeah, I saw that. Here, actually, I wanted to show this here. Can you explain what this is? Because I think this is really cool.
Yeah, so typically headphone world, you know, we have a industry standard fixture, you know, something like a head and torso simulator, and we have that in our office in Park City. But to maintain the DNA, you know, aggressive lifestyle DNA of Skullcandy, we wanted to do something different, something unique. That has never been done by other audio companies. So basically we ended up building our own fixture, and you know, not everybody knows our skull face, so we just had fun with it. But this is very nicely designed, everything internally built, and it has a blue and clear microphones. So this is a really functional measurement fixture. And we're going to actually deploy this measurement system to all our trade shows to just tell the world that we know what we are doing, and we are actually growing as a premium audio brand.
Yeah, I was actually very excited when I found out they brought you on board, and then when we came to Park City, it was awesome, you know, to meet you. And you've since come and visited headfi's offices, I want to, you know, I'm kind of curious to see where you see. We've had interesting conversations about it, so let's talk about it on headfi TV. Where do you see now with your participation in the design and engineering? It does seem to be really clearly reshaping the products going forward. Where do you see Skullcandy now going forward in terms of products? What can we expect?
Well, definitely. Okay, let me start. This year, 85% of our product will be our own design, and we design and fabricate in our Chinese manufacturers. So that's our design, and the rest of the 15% of the product will still remain OEM, but they will be fading out, right? So that's that was necessary to achieve what we call supreme sound, because in order to create premium audio quality, we just have to pay greatest attention to details of every component of headphones, right?
Yeah, I like the Supreme Sound campaign. I like at least what you're trying to do with it, which is to try to bring the discussion of audio terminology, but in easy to understand terms. I'll be interested to see how that does once it's finally live. It's obviously all over the place here at CES, but I don't think it's it's not going to be pushed out to all the retailers yet until when?
Until spring, so around April this year. So, you know, the Supreme Sound doesn't happen overnight. It's a time consuming process, and all of us understands that. So we see probably it's going to take about 3 years for us to establish to be recognized as a true audio brand.
Well, I think bringing you on board was a really cool start. Like I said, I was really happy to see when they brought you on board. That was kind of an unexpected step, but it was cool that they did. It's already cool to see what you've done with respect to instituting the engineering facilities, capabilities, and right at the Park City headquarters. So I'm excited to see what's going forward, man. Tetsuro, one of the interesting things that happened right before the show is you Saturday overnight delivered me the new Hesh 2. It was one that you worked extensively on. Yeah, that one around your neck. So can you tell us something about the Hesh 2? Because I think it's probably an important product for Skullcandy.
Yeah. So we had a Hesh 1 for a while, and which is priced at around $50, and which has a 30% of the share in the market for the same price point. But we refined the sound and all the other aesthetic, and I'm so excited about this sound quality. When I first heard the sound, and everybody else, we were just blown away. It's got a lot of bass, but vocals and highs are so precise and smooth, and highs are soft, but so easy to listen to.
Yeah, the vocals were good. I do recall that, and the bass was heavy. The treble was smooth as well. And I haven't really spent a lot of time with it because I just got it on Saturday, then headed over to CES, then had to give it back. But I can't wait to hear it once it's available. Anyways, that's Tetsuro Oishi from Skullcandy. And thanks for taking the time with us, man.
Thank you very much.
All right.